destiny. Don't be saying that person name. Oh. Everybody get destiny, Abi. That's what they talk. I'm Ross, you not get. One of my guys, they work for bakery. So they come back from work with his friend. So they come back, now you can't see one fine girl. So now you want to go follow the girl talk. Now friend come, they discourage and say, no go there. We hear say this girl, they collect people's style. And the guy look and laugh. So I guess that now they work for bakery. In friend shock. You see, they get they collect people's style, they use our well. They come collect and they use, they give me percentage.